Morphological features of Stephanurus dentatus or pig kidney worm. Grossly, the parasite is pinkish in color. The size of the parasite is around 4.5 cm in length, which is slightly smaller than the size of the pig lagworm Metastrongelus epri. You know the size of the Metastrongelus epri is around 6 cm. The cuticle of Stephanurus dentatus is very transparent, through which the internal organs can be seen. The microscopic features of this parasite is also very interesting. As this parasite is under the superfamily Strongyloideae, it will have a prominent buccal capsule. There are three pairs of cuspid or angular teeth located at the ventral margin of the buccal capsule. There is presence of external leaf crown, that is, they will be located at the rim of the buccal capsule. Along with the leaf crown, there is also presence of sixth external cuticular modification or thickening, which is also known as epiulets. The male parasites have a small bursa with short bursal rays, and the spicule is equal in length. Vulva of the female is located close to the anus.